Today I installed the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. When I tried to open the game, I got this error. The application has unexpectedly stopped working. To fix this problem, click on Close and go to Search menu and have Windows Security. Click on Open it. Select the Virus and Threat Protection and select Manage Settings. Scroll down and select Add or Remove Exclusions and select Yes. Select Add an Exclusion and select Folder. Navigate to the Game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option. Game as added to this list. And then go back to Virus and Threat Protection and select Protection History. Click on the drop down in Potentially Unwanted and select Yes. If any game related file is in here, select Action and select Allow option. Select Yes option. And do the same thing if any other game related file is in here. Once you're done, close stuff here and go back to the game folder. Open this start underscore single player and select yes option and wait for the game to launch. The game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.